and welcome back to my channel. Spring has finally arrived, and for those of us in locations where we can plant, we have already started doing so. Do we start with seeds, or do we start with starter plants, or do we use a combination of both? These are black-eyed peas that I started from grocery store bought seeds. Some of the pros and cons of starting seeds versus buying plants are when you start plants from seeds, you have more choices. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. Seeding is less expensive than buying seedlings from a local plant. And you have more of a variety to choose from if you start your seeds yourself rather than going to your local big box. Some veggies, herbs, and flowers don't do well when transplanted. So that's some of the reasons why some may prefer to buy from their local big box. Planting seedlings can be cost effective. Transplants are generally more expensive than one of the disadvantages of starting from seed is that it takes time for the seeds to germinate and grow. So if you have a short growing season, it may be more advantageous for you to buy from your local big box. Okay, these are some of the seeds that I have purchased, and we'll look through the carrots first. If you go to your local big box, you're at the mercy of whatever they have in stock for their selection. Whereas here, I have 7 different types of variety of carrots that I can start myself. Collards are the same thing. Several different types that I can start myself. And for me, that's one of the biggest reasons why I start my seeds myself rather than going to a local big box. Also, some of the stuff that you get from the local big box may not exactly be very healthy. You don't know when those plants were started, what their growing conditions were, what fertilizer that they used. You don't know any of that. Now, if you are in a pinch, and it's happened with me, I've gone to the local big box and I've purchased a plant. But I seem to have better success when I grow my own seeds and transplant them myself. Starting your own seeds also is less expensive. Online, I looked at my local big box, and to buy a sweet bell pepper, California Wonder, green in color, is $5.98, whereas I can buy a pack of seeds for under $4 and grow as many plants as my heart desires. And it's the same way with collard greens and peppers and just about anything that you want to grow. You're going to pay a very high price for the convenience of having the plant on hand. While this may be agreeable to some, to me, not so much. Everything that you see in my garden was grown from seeds. It may take a little bit of time, but overall, it can be done, and it's very worthwhile to see the fruits of your labor. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we discuss the pros and cons of either starting your own seeds or buying plants from your local big box. Whichever one you prefer, leave me a note in the comment section of the video telling me why you prefer the way that you do it, and I'll reply back. I want to thank you for coming along. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider taking this moment to do so. As you can see, I can grow a lot of vegetables and flowers by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you're interested in any of the items that I used in this video, head over to my Amazon storefront or head over to my website. You can get some pretty decent discounts, and it helps me a little bit. So until next time, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Don't forget to like the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload something new. And you can share my video. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.